What's up, Westy, and welcome to the final Wolf TV for the 2019-2020 school year, live from Studio W. It's hard to believe it, but we've made it. On today's show, we'll do our best to prepare you for summer vacation. For our seniors, I'll tell you when and where to pick up your diplomas. For some students, that means we need to get ready for 37th week, and I'll tell you how to register. The Future Center staff is here to help all summer long. Chef Hill's back again, with one more cooking show. And we have a special message from Principal Kiewiet just for you. Let's get to it. Last Saturday, our seniors were able to walk the virtual stage for graduation. Now it's time to grab that diploma. Tomorrow, starting at 10 a.m., graduated seniors will have a chance to do just that. You will park in the bus parking lot, check in to pay any fees, and check in any equipment that you still have at the bus loop doors. You will then move through the school to pick up any belongings that were forgotten in March. Then it's out to the amphitheater where we will take your photo with your diploma. All student and families who come must wear the appropriate mask and maintain proper social distance at all times. We want to keep everyone healthy and safe. I'll see you there. Next week, May 27th to June 2nd, is the infamous 37th week. Teachers will work with you from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. to push, pull, and drag you over the finish line. We want to make sure you close out those courses you just missed out on this year. We will offer classes in Literacy 1, 2, and 3, Algeo 1 and 2, Physics, Chemistry, and U.S. History. Any student who qualified should have received an email this week with the details. It is important that you use the link provided to register by 3 p.m. tomorrow if you wish to participate and get those credits. As the school year comes to an end, we need to collect Chromebooks, hotspots, textbooks, athletic uniforms, and other school property from the rest of the student body. Plus, you may have left some of your personal belongings at school that you would like to have back as well. We'll conduct a curbside pickup and drop-off process that will take place in the circle in front of the building. On Tuesday, May 26th, we welcome our 9th grade students from noon to 6. On Wednesday, May 27th, it's 10th graders' chance to stop by from noon to 6. And on Thursday, May 28th, juniors can swing by anytime between noon and 6. Please keep in mind that there will not be any student or parent access to the building, and this will be your final opportunity to pick up your items. If you have multiple students in different grades that attend Westy, please choose one of these dates that works for you, and we'll take care of all of your students on that day. As we told you last week, the amazing Future Center staff is here for you all summer long. Need help with your college orientation? Give them a call. Have financial aid questions? Make an appointment. Looking for a job this summer? Hit them up with an email. The Future Center summer hours are Monday through Thursday from 7 a.m. to 4:30, and they are ready to help. Call 303-657-3929 or send an email to futurecenter@westminsterpublicschools.org to schedule a time to get the assistance you need. Chef Hill will be back one more time to host the Westy virtual cooking class Saturday, May 30th at noon. You don't want to miss this class because he will teach you how to make spaghetti with homemade meatballs and marinara sauce from scratch. Send Chef Hill an email at chill@westminsterpublicschools.org for the shopping list and the Zoom invite. I've been asked how I record Wolf TV here from Studio W and decided to give you a quick look at what it takes to set this studio up. Here you go. Congratulations, we've made it. Or maybe we've just survived to tell the tale. Right now, they feel like one and the same. This was not how any of us thought this year would go, and it's okay for you to feel all the feels about it. One thing is for certain, we, your teachers, counselors, administrators, and school staff, are incredibly proud of the hard work and dedication you have shown. That is strength. That is the way of the pack. That is what it means to be an alpha wolf. Now here's our fearless leader, Principal Kiewiet, with some final words for you as we all head into summer break.
Hey Westy, it's Miss Kiewiet here. Since this is our last Wolf TV, I just wanted to say that I just wanted to take a minute and say have a great summer. I'm very, very proud of all of you, and I'm proud of the way our community has come together to take care of us the last couple of months. On March 13th, we did not know that we wouldn't return to school, and it's been a little bit scary for all of us, and a little bit sad as well. And so I just wanted to say thank you for everything everyone has done. The staff has come together and taken care of our kids and students. I just want to make sure that you know how proud we are of you. I know I've said it 100 times, but I can't say it enough. You guys have been working so hard to keep your studies going, and I know that hasn't been easy while you're at home taking care of your families as well. So I think one of the things I just want to make sure you guys know is even though we're not here physically in the building, we are here for you no matter what. This has been, like I said, a tough time, but we've had each other's backs, and we need to continue to do that. Most of you know that I'm not from Colorado. I'm actually from Iowa, and all of my family is back there. So this has been a very hard thing for me too, because I'm not able to see my parents or my sister, my nieces, and my nephew. But I'm wearing a necklace today that my sister gave to me a couple of years ago. And I think it also speaks to us as well about our Westy family. And so it says on this necklace, like branches on a tree, we grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. So right now, we might be growing in different directions and we're not able to be together, but just know that you are once a wolf, always a wolf, and we're here and we're strong, and we will get through this together. I cannot wait to see you guys hopefully this fall as we come back for the next school year. The class of 21, it is going to be more important than ever that you guys are leaders next year. I'm counting on you to help me come back very, very strong and have a great school year. So again, have a great summer. I look forward to seeing you all, and take care.
That's it. Thanks for watching. For all the teachers, administrators, and staff of Westminster High School, have an amazing summer. I'm Chris Williams, and we hope we'll see you all next year. You're still here? It's over. Go home.